So guys, this is the Unbound Cordless Curler from Sassoon, and what this means for you is that you can get perfect curls or waves anywhere and anytime. The Unbound Cordless Curler can give you really tight curls or really loose waves and everything in between. On the bottom is your USB charging connection. Once it's fully charged, you can unplug it and use the curler completely cordlessly.
Before you get started, it's really important to make sure your hair is brushed through and doesn't have any knots or tangles.
If you've got really fine hair, you probably only need it on a low heat setting, and if you've got thick hair, you might want to turn it up to make those curls really last. You can also choose your curl direction, so you can choose curls that curl left, curls that curl right, or you can have it on the mix setting, which is what I do. So one curl will go left, one will go right, and it will alternate as you work your way around your head. Once it's ready to go and heat it up, the little heat symbol will be flashing on the screen.
The Unbound Cordless Curler works really easily. You place your section of hair through the curler and you hold down the rotation button. You keep your finger holding down the whole time until you get the beep signal, which will be 2 quick beeps, and that's when it's time to let your hair out of the curl. I'm going to show you in the next frame what it actually sounds like, and it'll show you when to let go of the button. When you're using the Unbound Cordless Curler, it's really easy to make your selections. You have a choice of heat, you have a choice of curl direction, and the amount of time each curl is kept in the barrel. A general rule of thumb is if you want a looser curl, make sure the heat setting is a little bit lower and it doesn't stay in for as long. If you want a tighter curl, put the temperature up and keep the curl in the chamber for longer. You have a choice of heat settings ranging from 160 to 200, and you also have a choice of time settings, 6, 8, 10, and 12 seconds. So I'm going to show you a little comparison. This is how to create a looser curl, get a larger section of hair. I have this set on 160 degrees, which is the lowest heat setting, and I have it set to 6 seconds, which is the lowest time setting. This means the curl won't be as tight. You can see when it's beeped and I let the curl out, it's a nice soft loose curl. Now I'm going to create a tighter curl. So I've got a much smaller section, I've turned my heat setting up to 200 degrees, and I've put my time setting up to 12 seconds. You can see that has created a really tight, springy curl. Comparing them side by side, you can see the difference that changing the settings can have on the type of curl you get. Now that all of my hair has been curled, I'm just going to loosen the curls up with my fingers, and this is how you get a really nice tousled, curled look. Or alternatively, if you wanted a more smoother, softer look, you can brush through your hair with a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb, and it'll just give you that really soft glam.
I also wanted to show you in the Unbound range is the Unbound 2-in-1 Cordless Mini. Now this doubles as a hair straightener or a curling tong. You can just wrap your hair around the outside. Now this is completely cordless as well, so you can take it anywhere. The size of it fits in your handbag. It is so convenient.